You think you're a smart angler. Then fish with brain. And answer these questions. Number 1. Fish knowledge. Which predator fish can see UV light? A. Pike. B. Perch. C. Zander. The right answer is B. Perch. Number 2. Lure knowledge. What is the main purpose of a lure's rattles? A. Create flash. B. Produce vibration. C. Add scent. The right answer is B. Produce vibration. Number 3. Tackle knowledge. Why do anglers often use braided line on bait casting reels? A. Better sensitivity. B. More stretch. C. Lower visibility. The right answer is A. Better sensitivity. Number 4. Skill knowledge. When should you slow down your retrieve most? A. Windy weather. B. Clear water. C. Cold water. The right answer is C. Cold water. Number 5. Water knowledge. Where do predators save the most energy in rivers? A. Main current. B. Surface. C. Current breaks. The right answer is C. Current breaks. Did you know all? Type yes or no into comments. And don't miss the next episodes. Fish with Brain by AS Fishing. Your Fish with Brain team together wish you Merry Christmas. More episodes of Fish with Brain are coming. Stay hooked.